Hello everybody. Hey, this is Dave. I'm going to show you my little collection of drones here. Here's the Fei, and I think it was 605, but I can't remember. But it's the one that's got a camera on it. There's the FPV antenna. So anyway, here's a B-Whoop B03 Firefly UDI U46 Potensic Firefly A20 Medicu M1 Tozo Q4040 JJRC H20H Flight Model QS001A, and this one is by Zenton Toys. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. ZT991 Boxer Flyer 1602 Eachine E52. When I first bought that, it was phone controlled. I bought a controller for it. Parrot Swing right there. Here's the one that sustained some damage, the Eachine E58. Here's one of my favorites, Syma X20. Fun to fly, very fun. And we got the Star Wars T65 X-Wing. I've had it out of the box, but I have not flown it. Maybe someday, not sure. I got the Syma CG035. I've got the Hubsan 501C with the controller from the 501S, I think. And I got the Phantom 3 Standard DJI, but it's in its case. So, alright. I got a few RC, like a couple cars, rock crawler, a bus like that, but this is pretty much basically my flying family here. So, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys later. Take care. See you later. Bye.